In this video, we will show you how to set up and use DJI Mic for the first time. DJI Mic comes with two transmitters, a receiver, and a charging case. Press and hold the power button on the side of the transmitters to turn them on/off. The receiver can be paired with up to two transmitters. After connecting, you can record audio from devices such as your phone or camera. For first-time use, language and time setting are required. The receiver and transmitters are already paired by default. If you need to pair them again, you can do so in the following ways. Method 1. Put the receiver and transmitters into the charging case, and they will pair automatically. Method 2. Power on the receiver and transmitters. Swipe down on the receiver screen and swipe left to find settings. Tap Link Device. Press and hold the link button on the transmitters. And start pairing according to instructions on the screen. When the linking indicators of the transmitters turn solid green, pairing is complete. You can use DJI Mic for standalone recording or with a smartphone, camera, or other compatible devices. If you want to use it with your phone, please insert the mobile phone adapter into the expansion port at the bottom of the receiver. Connect it to your phone and start shooting or recording. You can use the back clip or the clip magnets to attach the transmitters to places like your collar and start recording. To monitor the audio recorded, you can plug the 3.5mm earphone jack into the 3.5mm monitor port of the receiver. The DJI Mic receiver can be mounted onto a camera hot shoe port via the hot shoe adapter. Use a 3.5mm camera connection cable to connect the camera mic port to the receiver's 3.5mm audio output port. Then start filming videos on your camera, and the receiver will begin recording. DJI Mic comes with 8GB of built-in storage and supports standalone recording. Press the recording button on the side of the transmitters to start. The solid red light indicates that audio is being recorded. After recording, you can export the recorded audio by connecting to your PC via a standard USB charging cable. Thanks for watching.